up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are here at the Strong Island Stangs car show at Golds Gym of Islip, and there are a ton of cars here. Let's take a walk around.
Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Bass and the beat got me going insane. Man, I got the party going off the chain. It's been a long week, so I ain't gonna sleep. Put my hands in the air, I'm letting go of the pain. On the grind, man, I've never been a watcher. Too sick, but I don't wanna duck down. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. 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 Lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Got me going insane, going off the chain. It's been a long week, so I ain't gonna sleep. Put my hands in the air, I'm letting go of the pain. On the grind, man, I've never been a watcher. Too sick, but I don't wanna duck down. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. 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 Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Turn up, lift up, full speed, we ain't taking no pit stop. When I'm in the place, gonna rave to the max. So the second that I leave, I ain't stopping at the gift shop. Got me going insane, going off the chain. It's been a long week, so I ain't gonna sleep. Put my hands in the air, I'm letting go of the pain. On the grind, man, I've never been a watcher. Too sick, but I don't wanna duck down. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter. Track got me spinning out like a helicopter.
Hey guys, my name is Mikey Geraldi, aka Mikey Bag of Donuts on Facebook. I run Strong Island Stangs, or SIS. My motto is get down with the SIS, because we had about 200 plus cars here, maybe even close to 3 at Golds Gym of Islip. Incredible turnout. This is our rain date. I want to thank Heather, who's the manager of Golds Gym, for having us. It's great promotion for the gym, which opens tomorrow. Thanks to the new state guidelines, full gym membership, and she's taking care of a lot of people that showed up today. But she was a gracious host, and our group has grown in the last 3-4 years. I just decided to bring it up a notch. no pun intended. I had about 300 members maybe 3 years ago. Now we have 2,350. Most of them are in Long Island. Some people moved. Great bunch of guys, cops, firemen, union workers, all blue-collar workers that respect each other and respect their cars. I can't do too many of these car shows because it's a lot of work, but we have little pop-up meets throughout the island, which is always on Facebook and Instagram. We have a website, which we're working on, and it's just been a great run, and we're going to keep pushing forward, get out of this pandemic. There are masks being worn today, some social distancing going on the best we can, cleaning our hands, but it was a fantastic turnout. A walk outside. We had every spot filled today, as you know, Adam. But right now it's still, I would say, at least 3/4 full, so I'll show you guys what's going on. Take a walk outside, Adam. All right. Thank you. So, about 200 spots in here, and then there's about another 100 in the back, and then we got additional cars over there on the left side. We had a bouncy house. We had Johnny's Roadside, serving up breakfast and lunch. Waynesboro Bouncy House, Pets for Love, it's our charity, we give money to them. A detail guy over here, a lot of great vendors. At my shows, I make sure that I always have a DJ Pace. Yo, Rob! That's DJ Pace right here. He did an amazing job for us. So like I said, I always have music and food at my shows. So everybody has a good time. You can bring the kids and just have a good old time. I want to thank my staff, Mike Russo, Keith Schwan, Paulie Barrett, Malika, Enzo, they all can be there, Greg S. My other friend Greg, they're all part of my amazing staff, my brother-in-law Joe D. They made this all happen. So thank you again, everybody. And look out for our next show, September 27th, Stevens Ford.